Worry about it.
Attempt number 5? 4?
I'm gonna do the thing I wanted to do
5?
earlier.
Yeah, it's 5. What the hell was that? That was a great moral.
6 damage. Okay, so that's like any form of damage, so I'm assuming that also has a chainsaw. So yeah, you can still backsaw people without caring the world.
So do you want to see some of the stupid text that's during this run? 'Cause you already know how I did the slime bounces.
Fine, I'll take a look at it. Yeah, let me see. What bullshit
That's
have you
not
done?
that's not my poker fruit. Got that. Got it.
And well, I'm glad you're here, so I have someone to watch, like something to watch, because killer queues have been in so fucking long.
Have people just been playing Survivor too much recently?
No, I'm playing Killer Queue.
I mean, yeah, not playing enough Survivor.
I think the game might be dying.
Oh, you don't say. Screw it, have a
Brother!
I might as well get this here.
What do you need a tabby for? Oh, for
Slime
Gordo.
door.
For Largos, yeah.
No, Largos.
For what, then?
Do you remember the ancient area or whatever?
Mm-hmm.
Where you
Ah!
have to do that thing with the door? Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, so let me just run up this wall.
You can do that?
Kinda. If I could do it correctly. There we go, first try. Kind of. Now let's try not falling through the map again.
Wait, so why did you climb up that wall?
Because you can run up walls sometimes.
Oh,
Because
because that's a
how
time
weird.
skip. Oh, that's disgusting.
Shoot.
Running out of ammunition, my friend.
Too bad.
That's disgusting. Are you able to, like, suck them up and then, like, slightly, and essentially, like, jump off their heads again?
A bit. I'm just gonna handle this like this.
Was blanket.
This is probably not worth the time. Well, and my future runs.
No, you don't need pink slime with support, do you?
Pink slime support is not required. It's already in there.
You should probably also turn off hints. And
I don't care.
tutorials. Oh, hey,
The
Mega Man.
tutorial is required. I don't care.
No, it's not. You can turn it off in the settings.
I was being sarcastic.
I remember in Terraria, the mobile version, like really old Terraria, you had to pay to skip the tutorial.
Excuse me, what?
I wish I were joking. It would be locked behind a paywall if you were because it had a very long tutorial because it's a very complicated game. And if you try, if
I
you
guess
wanted
that's
to,
how you make it so your player base doesn't complain about being bad at the game.
yeah, and essentially it had like a custom, like a custom scene and everything, like it was like a creative world, kind of like that one Minecraft tutorial world, like back in old Minecraft. And then it just like
Just
it's
ignoring me to find
you
physics.
had to go through it in order to play the normal game. Why are you not bringing toolboxes on? Whatever.
It ju- that's not what it. God damn it. Whatever, I can do those two.
No more blocks for you.
So actually, no, there's should be things here. Yeah. If you're wondering why I went Dolomite back during that, it's because it actually is faster.
So let go of your what?
Oh, like, stop sucking for a second.
Hmm. Interesting.
There we go, I don't actually
Ow.
do the backtracking I did before this time. Which actually might be slightly longer. Heavy slimes are cute.
Correct. Fucker. I knew you'd do that shit.
I forgot to get a certain port, but whatever. Forgot to get the bloom port before. So I'll just make it myself.
No, fucker! I'm going to backsaw you. It's not fucking. I'm going to backsaw your bitch ass, whether you like it or not. Come here! Come on, I'm so close. Please let me get a backsaw, please let me get a backsaw, please let me get a
Are you
back.
playing the Hellbilly?
Yes, I got him! Yeah, I am. Perhaps I should be playing Hillbilly, which can skip the injury phase, but it's fine. Who cares? Ow.
Oh, shoot. I guess I'm slime going without pink slimes. Just boom slime.
Boom slime pogoing. What a master class. One art.
It just behaves the exact same, but I
Explosion.
can take damage.
Need to break
Now,
this?
hopefully I don't fall through the entire map this time. That would be great. Don't even know why that happened.
Don't worry about it.
I mean, I've fallen through the map on my ranch before.
Gotcha.
I don't think you're supposed to have this, like my inventory on day one.
I don't think you actually make that. Yeah, no, you don't make that. In fact, that's still blocked. There's not a pallet on this side.
Damn, what?
Nice flashbang.
Oh yeah, I gotta make a thing. Oh, I have exactly 0
Shit.
U-Bucks. Interesting.
No, bitch, we drained this shit all the way down. Do I see sparks? Hold on. This one has progress. Damn it.
See this big sign here.
Where's your teammate? How'd this guy make so much distance so fast?
Yes.
Hello, you're not who I wanted. You're actually not all who I wanted. Wait, so where'd the other guy? Whatever. Allens are fucking weird. I have accepted that fact. We're just gonna move on. I see the guy. Hi there, Alan. Bastard.
Just trying to play it safe with my money right now.
Dumb Alan. They healed.
This is gonna be the last
Fucker.
execution on me. Really?
I don't want to be a toddler, I'm so sorry.
Tunneling's fine.
I'll
Just
gladly
try
take
as
you.
get
I
it.
will gladly take you, although you probably... no, you don't have a flashbang. Hey, you have flashbang! Who are these flashbangs on deck? What? Whatever. I'm not gonna ask.
I might as well get this. Now I have way more fruit space.
Alan? Where's your friend?
Oh wait, I did it the wrong way.
Nice job, bud.
Thank you.
And you, although I will have you accept that compliment because you are a very good person. You're doing a very good job. It's just like that is speedrunning in general. Yeah, because that totally worked. Nice.
There. Oh, here I go, gonna be running up the wall again.
That's one. Hey, the sound of me bashing her head in, was in sync with the sound of her vaulting. Nice. I smell Katie making hot dogs downstairs. Eel.
Don't think it's faster than I based on my pathing.
Hmm?
Talking to myself. Oh, I just realized a pathing mistake I had. Oh, no. Yeah, that's a major pathing mistake. I should have gone back around, double back around.
Ah.
Damn it,
Excuse me.
Your excuse.
Thank you. I don't think I chance to use those for her. Hmm. I can do better. I can do better. Wait,
Already
wait.
36 minutes in, that's not good.
Oh no.
As I jump into a wall.
Soup. 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 Why stop playing mine super? Because they hit a fucking mine. Oh, I can go right.
What?
Nothing. Just talking to myself. Oh, yeah, you got that open. Nice. What? Okay, yeah, you know, you're actually going really fast. Wait, why are you
If
doing that?
I need items.
Ah,
And it's still opening.
I see. Oh, why? Can you still hear the music?
No, it would still be opening, when I was respawning.
Okay. I know, just wondering if you can hear it.
No.
Okay. And we're in. Uh, that's essentially a one, essentially a one, essentially a one, essentially a one. Oh god, three of them have flashlights.
Just try not to hit you, whatever.
Uh-oh, I'm in danger. Alright. Please do not give me a shitty indoor map like RPD. I will cry.
Hey, give him RPD.
I got RPD earlier as Billy. I still somehow 4K'd. No, sorry, 3K'd because whoever got hacked. I got Cold Tower, let's fucking go! That's stupid.
My last run was sub 50, which I'm probably not gonna get.
Fantastic. Hello. Ha 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 ha! That was absolutely fantastic. Let's do it again sometime. No, not do that. Nope! I already love these survivors. Hello.
Hello, mate. Oh, shoot. I don't have the stuff required. I need another key. That's not good.
Yeah, how'd that work out for you, bud?
I could probably take a too far and in the wrong direction.
God, I fucking love this game.
I had to take a trip to the quantum portal to do something.
Where'd she go? Bastard.
Okay, some parkour at least saves some time. I think I am gonna have to do something interesting here. A bit unorthodox.
Hello there! Where did you come from?
I'm gonna go back to spawn actually, because I need some vegetables still.
Oh, fuck her. Dylan! Dylan!
What?
I learned how to curve! I learned how to curve! Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I haven't gotten a chance to actually look at the text. Sorry. Got it. What? What? What's wrong? Shit.
Okay, I guess
That's that hard.
extremely difficult on Xbox.
Oh wait, this is probably Survive with Friends. Oh, that's so amazing. That's so amazing. I'm probably gonna get a couple of toxic messages being like, "You tunneled, you piece of shit." Nice sprint burst.
My brain just turned off there for a second. Okay. Oh, wait. Remember how I had to restart the run earlier?
Mm-hmm.
I might actually be on time still. I actually don't know. Most of my time save is probably just from taking the new route. And seeing what's
I heard that.
bad.
That's the campfire. Goddamn fire sounding like footsteps. Glad that gave up.
casually just jumping an entire hurdle. So I'd prefer not getting cable. Wait, how many keys did I get? I got the pink slime, phosphor, honey, quantum. Oh, interesting. I actually only need one key. Still. So I actually don't need this. I had those carrots, but I didn't. I thought it was up to 4 keys. Or 3 keys.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's absolutely bloody fantastic.
As long as I don't mess up the room, it should be good.
Mm-hmm. Fuck.
No.
No. I don't think you survive here.
Okay, I could just run down the wall. Yeah, that makes sense.
Fuck, I overdid it.
Actually, because of how this run is working so far, I could actually just choose a respawn after I hit H and just do the thing. I don't need to do another locked door, so yeah. That's actually a good path. It's only doing fruits. Interesting. I'll keep that in mind for next run. Okay, it would be great if I didn't run into a wall.
Oh my god,
Yet.
the 4As. Wait, no, that's a Leon perk. Ow!
This might be the final message.
Dylan. Windows, fixated, sprint burst. Another one had adrenaline and dead hard and MTF. Metal of Man. Another one had boil over, flip flop, lucky break, and urban evasion. And then Ace literally had level 1 adren, dead hard, and flashbang.
Time.
Wait,
okay,
you got it?
Yeah.
Yay!
Now, I'm going to review the footage to see if this was actually a new PB. Okay?
Okay.